He knows how to do it. And I'm like, really? I've seen lots of doctors doing it on YouTube, which is my barometer for everything. So I've seen people do it. Make sure the straps are straight, because there's nothing worse than getting it on than having the strap all screwed up. And then you got to take it all off and do it all over again. So that goes through there. This arm goes through the sling. Bring the piece right up to your belly again. Take the piece that is behind you. So get the belt secured first. Remember, take care of your belt first before you take care of the child. Otherwise, you won't be able to. So the next part is grabbing the clip from the shoulder strap here, putting it through, and there you go. And that is how the brace is secured. And the last part of it is to just put this strap, Velcro on the arm, and then the thumb little strap is here. So when you're moving about, the arm does not move that much, because you don't want this moving around too much this first couple of weeks. So I actually have a other strap that I take a shower with, but it's just a cloth belt that's adjustable. I put it around my neck. I put my arm in it, so it's just kind of bracing my neck so I can clean up and let my arm be protected. I just can't use it too much, because if I do, guess what? It's gonna hurt. So you keep it in that bent position so it's soft. And then just one little thing I'll show you. This is what the actual surgery was in one part. I think you can kind of see it. It's right here, because that's where I feel it. And let's see. Let me see if I can pop this. It's bicep tendinosis. They had to clip the long head of the bicep here, and then they had 2-minute sight. And first they secure this piece that they cut. Before they cut it, they secure it to the humerus, then cut it, then do their cleaning work, and then get it all attached, and you're pretty much ready to go. But that's the site, and it doesn't feel too bad. And I've been putting Neosporin over all of it, because I only had to keep it dry for a few days, because they're very small cuts and holes from the arthroscopic. So I'm on my way to physical therapy today, and hopefully they won't hurt me too much. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. This has been a few minutes of how to put on a brace, take off a brace, and put it back on. Have a good day.